See, we have issued demolition orders to encroachments done along the nullah adjoining the municipal market behind the KTC bus stand. Now we issued notices to the lessees. It's the entire stretch. All the shops belong to the Mapusa Municipality, and these are lessees over there. So we heard them. They have done some encroachments which were on the nullah, which was hampering the work which was proposed to be taken up by WRD. The entire nullah is to be desilted, reconstructed. Because of these encroachments, the work was not happening. So we issued notices to the lessees. We heard them. Demolition order was passed. Deputy Collector has provided us with a demolition squad. Exercise will be completed in 3 days. Starts today, 25th, 26th and 27th. And after this exercise is over, once this whole thing is cleared off, WRD is going to take up the construction of the nullah, desilting and construction.